it's gotta go. Quite a bit of it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like at least this much of the beard, at least, probably even more. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews, back again with another video. This is actually my first video that we're recording in the new bathroom besides the walkthrough. By the way, shout out to everybody who gave me the congratulations and stuff like that. Told me that you like my new spot, man. I'm just so excited to be here. If you guys did not see that video, make sure you hit the card that pops up. Go ahead and check that out, and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you think the place is nice, and go ahead and feel free to give me any advice when it comes to living on my own, because this is the first time I'm living completely by myself, doing everything up in this spot by myself. So I just tried to level up. I just wanted to, you know, make myself proud. That's the whole point of these shirts, baby. By the way, shirts on sale as well. Link in the description, and these things been on sale. So if you're just now learning about it, go and get you one, man. Go ahead and support the guy, man. Make yourself proud. So that's what I'm in here trying to do. Make myself proud, level up. You know, I felt like I was kind of like, you know, too comfortable where I was at. I wanted to put myself in a situation where I was forced to level up to the next, next step. Force myself to do something different, make more money, come up with some different type of hustles and things like that. So in order for me to do that, I did have to take some time away from this YouTube channel. But again, as I say in the last couple videos, as I mentioned before, I have been posting every single day on Instagram in the Instagram story. So feel free to follow me over there on Instagram. My username is NDM, like for Never Deny Me. The number 9 and the word 1 spelled out. NDM91. Link in the description. In today's video, we're going to be cutting this beard down. How much are we going to be cutting off? I have no idea. But I honestly feel like, you know, I'm in a new spot. I kind of want a new beard for the most part. So I made sure I wore a white shirt today so you guys could see how. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Actually, that's all I can zoom in with this lens. But yeah, you can see through the beard just a little bit. So I pretty much is going to be taking off, you know, that much right there. It's also kind of seems like it's oddly shaped, like it goes down like this, then cuts in, and then, you know, it's kind of see-through. I can easily fix that by, you know, patting that down, then you can't really tell. But I want to actually pick it out and see how it looks, like, you know, fully picked out, and make it look nice, like all together. Beard has been kind of all over the place, but honestly, again, since I have not been making videos focused on my beard, I have not really been, you know, maintaining the beard as well as I should have. Now, I've been lining it up all the time, right? But still, ain't really been testing no new products or nothing like that in it. Not too much. But I still got all the products and everything. We're going to get to that in a minute. But yeah, all this right here is coming off. Before I start cutting away at the beard, I'm going to go ahead and line it up first, as I usually do. After I see where the lines is going to be, yeah, it's got to go. Quite a bit of it. I'm pretty sure it's going to be like at least this much of the beard. At least. Probably even more. Because, yeah, we don't want those stragglies sticking out the way that they've been sticking out. Let's go. Today we're going to be using the Wahl detailers right here. What have y'all been up to, though? I really want to know what you guys have been up to. With me being so busy, in addition to me not posting on this channel, I haven't even been looking on this channel. So all my beard brothers and stuff like that make videos, I normally watch all your guys' stuff. I always hit the like button, always drop a comment and stuff. Even if I'm not uploading myself, I'm kind of lost. So y'all gotta let me know what's the newest products, what's the newest techniques y'all done been doing. Y'all can put me on game, you know. Leave some comments in the description. Let me know what you guys are up to and how y'all journey's coming along. First thing, as always, we're gonna get up under this neck. Sink is already covered in hair, and that's just the beginning. Alright, sides done. Let's knock out the top. Beard still looking crazy as hell, uneven like a mug. This is also another reason why I made sure not to really upload videos, because I knew if I wasn't taking care of my beard the way that I have previously in the other videos, all y'all was gonna do is talk mess about me. And I ain't got time when I already know what's going on, man. I don't need y'all to be telling me what I already know. Beep, beep. Who got the keys to the G? Knocking out the line in the front. The blend will look a lot better though too once the beard gets a bit shorter. And we can always perfect it with the straight razor if need be. For now, we're just doing a rough outline, keeping the beard line as high as it already is. Just putting some crispiness to it, you know what I'm saying? And everything where we can see all right here, so you can't see my finger back here, but right there you can see it. So all this right here, gotta go, boss. New location, man. We in a new spot. We about to have a semi-new beard. Let's go. I'm gonna start small. I ain't gonna take no big old chunk off, because once you take it off, you can't go back. So. Man, I'm straight going to town on this thing. It's gonna be alright though. It's looking better already. Just a couple swipes. Took off all that already. Again, make sure you don't take off too much at once. Even though I told you guys I know where I want to go with it, don't go there right away. If you want to cut some down, pick it out again, see how it looks, then move forward. And also, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, or if you haven't passed the other stages of what I be doing on this channel, don't try to do this yet. Especially if your beard take a long time to grow, because you're going to be forever. I can grow me a whole beard in 2 weeks, so I ain't tripping. But for y'all that have been subscribed to me since day one, and you still trying to get yours going, I would suggest maybe you might want to go to the barbershop. Fair warning, my brother. Fair warning. We're definitely going to be taking some off the sides. I can see that already. I shouldn't have to, you know, pat my beard in to make it the way I want it to be. Should just be able to pick it out, and it's already exactly where it should be at. You can see that it looks like it goes right here, and then it goes in. So we're going to be taking off a little bit in here. Alright, a little bit more in the corner, looks like. Alright, let's match it up to the other side a little bit. Not too much, some light. Gotta have steady hands for this, because normally what I'm doing, you would want to use not trimmers, but you would want to use clippers, and you would want to put a guard on it and just knock it down slowly with the guard. But for me, I think I'm kind of experienced, and I'm not doing this on somebody else's head or beard, right? So if I mess it up, I'm messing up my own beard, and I ain't really tripping like that. Quite smaller, still booming though. It's a lot more compact. We still got a little bit of spots you can see through. We're gonna knock those down. Just a tad bit more. And I'm pretty much letting the clippers, the trimmers do the work. I'm not just slicing it through my beard. I'm just placing it up, letting it cut, and moving back slowly. The goal is pretty much to try to make a line like that, and then we'll curve the corners after. Because if you cover it in too much, you might, you know, take off too much. Now you got to cut way up here instead of below here. So pick a spot at the bottom. Try to aim straight across. And then move forward. So what we got so far. Big chunk. I'm feeling good about this trim, y'all. I'm feeling good about it. I don't know if y'all gonna like it though. Because some of y'all be feeling like when I mess up my beard, when I cut my beard, whatever I do to my face, y'all feel like I just disrespected all you guys. That's how y'all be acting in the comments sometimes. Y'all be quick as hell to hit that dislike button if I do something y'all don't like to my beard. That's crazy. I just want a cleaner look. But look, no more seeing through. As soon as you put the finger to the back, boom, it's dark. It disappears. It's not transparent anymore. We want a pitch black beard with no dye. I don't need the dye yet, but when I get to that level, I may or may not do it. I don't know. Maybe I want y'all to see the gray hairs. Or maybe I don't. I don't know. But as of now, we don't need no dye. The beard is just naturally this dark. And the way to keep it this dark is to, you know, moisturize it every day. Cut off the little flyaways and the little split ends and stuff like that so you can't see through it. I think I got it. I think I got it, boss. If you guys have been following me on Instagram too, I've been posting some other people have been wearing the shirts. So if you buy some stuff from me, whether it be artwork and you take a picture of it, of you know, holding the art, or have it on your wall, I'm gonna repost it on my Instagram or my Facebook or any of my social media. I now have access to post to the stories on YouTube as well, so I might start throwing some more stuff on there, you know, as it comes. But yeah, again, if you guys want to buy the Make Yourself Proud t-shirts with the fist in the middle, go ahead and do that. The link is going to be in the description. It only goes up from here, baby. Thanks for all you guys that commented on that last video again. I don't know if you guys noticed, by the way, either, but I never really put the clippers under my neck. Everything under the neck, you want to make sure that stays exactly the same, because that's the part that takes not really the longest to grow, but that's the part that curls up the most up under your neck. So if you cut it under your neck, it's going to take a very long time to get it back to where you want it to be. So as you guys can see, I combed it out, picked it out. All the part that was down here at my chin, that's what I cut off, and I just went straight back. Straight back. I didn't go straight back and then start curving up. And same thing on the sides. So I took it from right here, I went straight back. I didn't really start curving around and, you know, going all over the place, digging all into the beard. So as you guys can see, line is, you know, it's still rounded a little bit. Perfection, baby. Perfection. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna bust out the straight edge razor, and we're gonna clean this line up and make it look even better. And then off camera, I'll go ahead and shave my head because there's not really much to see on camera. But if you're bald, if you shave your head, you know, even though you can't see it, you still need to shave. Damn, did y'all hear that on camera? My stomach just growled like a mug. Since I've been living by myself, man, I've been just eating that one burrito mojito from the video I showed you guys. I've been just eating little small stuff. So my stomach is screaming for me to go back to my mom's house and say, can I get some food, Mom? If there's any ladies on here that's watching your boys' videos, feel free to make me a plate, man, because don't let me die, man. Because I might die in front of the whole world, man. Everybody gonna see me dying on camera. You just heard step one right there. My stomach was screaming for help. But at the same time, my six-pack is coming back in too because of that. Oh, sookie now. You see how much work this thing puts in? Barely cut anything. You can't even see the hairs that it cut, but you could definitely see the line now that was not there a second ago. I'm telling you guys, you need to get you a razor. Get you a razor. I can tell this blade is not as sharp as it should be, but since I'm almost done, I'm not going to change it, but I am going to throw it out after this lineup because it's not coming out as easy on this side. And we definitely do not want to dig deeper to get it done. I think that's it. So what I'm getting ready to do next, again, I'm going to do it off camera. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, put a fade in the beard and shave my head again, and we're gonna be all set. If you guys want to see a video specifically on how to fade your beard into a bald head, I do have multiple videos like that on my channel as well. And last thing before I get out of here, I want to show you guys this watch that I got right here, right? Let's see if we can zoom in. Boom. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it off to show you guys even better. This is a watch that was sent to me from Geared Hardware. I've gotten a whole bunch of compliments on it, and I actually had the ladies pick this one out for me because I had a choice of numerous watches that I should be wearing. This is one of the largest bezel watches I have right here. It's the best fitting watch because it's not, you know, a link chain. It's an adjustable chain like that, so you don't got to pay all this extra money to keep getting it sized up. Because for some reason, I buy a watch, the thing be super big, then I get it sized down, then I start working out or something. I guess I lose weight in my wrist or something. No, the watches be all kind of big. So with this one, you know, simple, just regular band. It's got the carbon fiber print on it. It's stitched in there pretty damn good. Geared Hardware. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see though, like the details in there. It tells you the day, tells you what day it is, tells you the time. It beeps every hour on the hour. It's got a stopwatch on it. Alarm on it. I'm really liking it, man. It's got a light on it too. You guys ain't gonna be able to see the light because it's, you know, shining up in here. If you guys are interested in this watch too, I believe I got a discount for you guys if you hit the link in the description. And also I'll show you guys the watch box that in addition to this watch, the other watches that I have, and the really nice case that I have to put these in. Super nice case, guys. Super nice case. So let me go ahead and throw this back on, and we're gonna close this bad boy out. What watches you guys wear, man? Because I don't be showing you guys this stuff to, you know, say, hey, my watches is better than y'all. So I don't want nobody saying nothing like that in the comments. If you feel like you have a better watch, leave the name of your watch in the comments because we're going to help each other out. You feel me? Y'all going to put me on game. I can't be giving y'all all this information and y'all not hit me back with nothing. You feel me? I need y'all to put me on game. What is the latest beard products and stuff that you guys are using? What are the new techniques and stuff that you guys are using? What are some of the new, you know, watches, for example, that you guys are wearing? What are maybe not even new watches? What are some of the cologne y'all got that be getting the ladies? Well, what cologne do y'all get, fellas, that make the ladies, you know, make their bottoms just fly off? Because I'm going to need some more of that. You feel me? Got my own spot now, so we can make all the drawers fly off every day of the week now. No problem. No problem, my guy. So yeah. If you guys found this video helpful, if you think it was cool, if you think my beard looks a lot better now than it did before, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned because I'm going to be kicking back with some more videos for you guys. And please make sure you follow me on Instagram because I post on there every single day. Anyways, enough talking. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.